Hey class, welcome to COMM 313 for the fall 2019 semester at Loyola University. I'm going to be your professor. My name is Dr. Populius. Hopefully you all saw my welcome video that went out. If not, feel free to go to the announcement section, which is right here. Clicking on that, clicking on our welcome video, which was emailed to you, and then you could click on this link and it will take you to YouTube where you could watch a quick welcome video. But going back, I want to talk a little bit about how our course is going to work and kind of what you're going to see throughout the term. So when you log on to Sakai, this is what you're going to see. And I want to let you know that our classes are going to be posted each week on Thursday at 12 o'clock p.m. noon Central Time. That's 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time or 10 a.m. Pacific Time. And our video lectures for each week will be posted there. And I'll show you where you can get our video lectures at and how you can review everything. So before we go over our syllabus, I do want to show you where our video lectures are going to be. So if you see this little note right here, it says click on the tab to the left called Lessons to see your content for each week, and make sure to watch the video lectures. So if you click on Lessons here, it will take you right here to this page, and each week I'm going to post our content. So right now we only have 1 week since we're in week 1, and if you scroll down here, you're going to see that I will have a quick welcome note, and then I will also let you know a few more details about what we're going to be doing this week. Here I have a reminder just discussing that each week on Thursday at 12 o'clock p.m. Central Time, your content will be posted for each week. Now I've made it pretty simple. Each week we'll have 3 items. You will have the yellow bar here, a blue bar, and a green bar. The yellow bar are items and tasks you need to complete this week. So here it's going to say watch week 1 video lecture below, which is going to be right here, but since I'm in the process of recording it, it is not here yet. You're going to also need to review the course syllabus located in the left menu bar, which is up here, but we will not go to there yet. And then you're also going to need to read chapter 1. We're going to go over it during week 2, so it would be nice for you to be prepared during our lecture having read chapter 1. The second item is going to be our video lecture, which is going to have the blue bar. And then the third item is going to be the additional items for the week, which is the green bar here. We don't have any for this week, but let's say, for example, next week during week 2, you will have the PowerPoint for chapter 1 right here. So that way you can go ahead and click on it and have that saved as well too. So I will put any items for the week here. So each week you would just click on this lessons tab, and then a new week will pop up. Next week, week 2 will be above week 1, and so on and so on. So let's go ahead and review our syllabus. So here's our syllabus. I have all my contact information here. I do include my cell phone. Feel free to send me a text message if you have something more urgent, or even call me on my cell phone if you'd like to speak in person. This way you guys can get a hold of me right away and not worry about a response 1 to 2 days later. If it's something that might not be as imperative to get a hold of me, then you could shoot me an email and I'll probably respond within 24 to 48 hours. And if you would like to request an appointment to visit me for office hours, since this is an online class, we could have it through Skype or even over the phone, whatever is easier for you, and just send me a message and we can go ahead and reserve that. This is going to be your textbook for the course, Corporate Communication, A Guide to Theory and Practice. It is the 5th edition. Please make sure you have that edition. A used copy is fine. And here's a course description to give you an idea of what we're going to be looking at. In this case, we're going to be looking, this course is going to place you in the role of the organization's internal communication manager. We're going to look at so many different things of how an organization is ran, the diversity it has, any kind of employment patterns, how to implement new technology, and so on and so on. So let's go ahead and scroll down here. Class attendance, don't worry about it too much since it's not a live in-person class. You don't have to worry about attending at a certain time, but please make sure to log in each week. Plagiarism, please do not plagiarize any work, use it in your own words, and if you do have a disability, please send me an email, let me know, or give me a call or a text message so we can discuss it and get everything situated for you. And here we have our School of Communication statement on academic integrity. If you scroll down, read through it, it will talk about a little bit more in detail about the academic integrity that Loyola wants from its students. This is our grading scale, pretty basic. And of course our student evaluation points. So you're going to have class discussion boards. You're going to have 3 of them. It's going to be a worth total of 75 points. 3 quizzes, 25 points each. You're going to have homework assignments. You're going to have 2 of them, each of them 25 points. An individual project at 50 points and a final exam at 100 for a total of 350 points. And here's an outline of what we're going to be doing. You can see the green stands out pretty easily. These are going to be our quizzes. Your quizzes will be taken on Sakai. You will have a week to complete. So for example, at the start of week 4, it starts on September 19th. Your quiz will be available that day, and it is due 9/25, which is Wednesday night at 11:55 p.m. So you'll have the entire week 4 to complete. Not on Thursday though, it ends on Wednesday night before. So same thing here, quiz 2, it's due on 10/16, which is Wednesday night, and same thing with quiz 3. You also have your discussion forms to complete during weeks 5, 11, and 13. You can see here in the blue. Any classes highlighted in pink we will not have class for that week. And down here you'll see we are going to have our final exam on December 5th. We're not going to have it during finals week. This will kind of help you balance your workload with your other classes. This is going to work like a quiz. You're going to have all week to complete it, all the way up until December 11th. So you could take it on December 5th at 12 o'clock noon, all the way up to December 11th. And then you will complete your individual project. This is going to be due on December 12th between 12 to 2 p.m. You need to upload it during this time because this is kind of acts as your final exam. The university requires you to do something during the final exam time of our course. So uploading an assignment will adhere to the university policies, so you will have your individual project completed here too. So each week we'll review each one of these items for each week. So don't worry about anything further for now. This way you just kind of have an idea of what we're going to be doing for this semester. So pretty simple. Again, once you log into course, you're going to see this, this information here along with your textbook. And then for the lessons, you're just going to click on the lessons tab, and each week you will see the content here with your video that you need to watch right here. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, all my contact information is in the syllabus. I want to wish you all the best of luck. Please make sure to read chapter 1 this week so you're prepared for our lecture next week. I look forward to meeting you all in the discussion boards during week 5. In the meantime, feel free to get your textbook this week and read chapter 1. Take care, guys.